Hey everyone, so today's video is just a short clip of each camera showing how they perform during heavy downpour. So today we actually had quite heavy rain early morning, and basically I just recorded a roughly 1 minute clip on each one and thought I'd post it so then you've got something to reference. Obviously with outdoor cameras, the main concern normally is how they'll actually handle weather conditions. So as you can see from this, the front camera, with it being angled down slightly more than the others, didn't really get affected at all. I have noticed that the audio seems to dull down quite a bit, so even though all three do actually record audio, what you'll find is that the front and the rear cameras seem to dull it down and probably more focus on audio coming from people, basically, so sounds, voices, things like that. From basically tests that I've done, they seem to pick up quite well, and yet with all of the heavy downpour in these clips, switching to the rear camera now, you don't really pick it up in the same way as you will once it switches over to the doorbell camera. Once we switch over to that, it'll actually give you an idea of how loud and how heavy the downpour actually was. But the other thing is, obviously, with these being, I think, 15 or 25 frames per second, obviously you've got slightly slower frame rate as well. So that's probably what's impacting, making it look like it's not quite as heavy as it actually was. As you can see from this clip here, you can hear how heavy the actual rainfall was. Obviously, with where the doorbell's mounted, it's not really affected by rain too much. But as you can see, the fence panels are still wet, so rain was still coming in this area.